What's going on YouTube? It's Caesar like the salad here, back with another video. And today I'm gonna teach you how to fix your PlayStation fan if it's making a loud noise every time you play. You know, when you turn your PlayStation, you're about to go play some Call of Duty, and then it sounds like your PlayStation is about to lift off and like explode. I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. Well, most of the time what the problem is a lot of dust builds up in the PlayStation. You know, if you had your PlayStation for like 4 years, I had it for 4 years so far, I think, maybe longer. A lot of dust builds up into the system and it clogs it up, and then when the system starts heating up, the fans keep going crazier and crazier because it doesn't have enough like power because there's so much dust built up. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, bro, let's get to it. Alright, so before we open our PlayStation, you're going to need the following. You're going to need some Q-tips, a toothbrush, and you need a couple screwdrivers. I'm not sure what sizes, just make sure they're small because there's going to be some small screws you have to unscrew. Alright, so the first step we're going to have to do is take the top off the PlayStation. Now this is pretty easy. All you got to do is put your fingers right here between these gaps. On the front of the PlayStation where the power button is right here and all the connections. Just lift up slowly. Don't put too much pressure, but don't be afraid. And you're gonna hear a couple clicks. Don't worry, you didn't break it. Oh, one more click. And that's it. It should come off right. It should come off pretty easily. I paused, cause look at that. That's not a good sign. Look at all that dust just on the top. Alright, and your PlayStation's gonna look like this now. Don't get scared of don't get scared when you open your PlayStation. Nothing went wrong. And you see right there, that's the part we want to clean. But first we're gonna have to unscrew all these tiny little screws off. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so when you get all the screws out, I think I dropped a couple, but I'll find them later. You slowly lift up this metal piece. Yeah, there we go. And as you can see, let me bring it closer to the camera. Boy, that shit fucked up. Look at that. Look at all that. Damn, son. Yeah, we're gonna start cleaning now. Let's get to it. Alright, man. So what we're gonna do with our toothbrush is like start brushing this shit out. Damn, son. Look at that. Look at all that dirt. Yeah, let's slowly start cleaning this up. Now what you're going to use the Q-tips for is to get the harder to reach places, like between the fan and this thing right here. You can pick up all that dirt, all that dust. Damn, man. I did not think my PlayStation was this dirty. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. Damn, son. Now would you look at that? That looks 100 times better. Now all we gotta do is put it back together. Shit. Alright guys, now the final thing we're gonna do, okay, first let me clean the top of this. Damn boy. Air dry it a bit because you don't want no moisture in your PlayStation. Alright, that's dry enough. Okay, now make sure it's on the right way. Start from the back, and when you hear the clicks, your PlayStation is good as, any more clicks, good as new, like you never even opened it in the first place. So yeah, man, that's the end of my video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment if this helped you at all, and hit the subscribe button, man. This is Caesar like the salad, and I'm out.